You'd be shocked at how many people I speak with that don't know what really goes into making an offer on a property. So today we're going to be going over the 5 steps you do once you find the property you want and what you do to get it. So step number 1 is you're going to review the comparable sales for the property with your real estate agent. This is so you figure out how much you're going to offer and what do you think it's worth. Number 2 is you're going to review the seller's disclosure for the property to make sure that there's no defects that you don't know about that would affect your offer price. After you review the seller's disclosure and the comparable sales, then you're going to start on your offer documents. There's general offer documents and there's specific offer documents. So the third thing you're going to be doing is you're going to complete all of your general offer documents. This includes all the notices that realtors have to show by law, the disclosures about business relationships and offices and agency and all that, and your financial forms, which you're going to need for any property you make an offer on. So once you complete your general offer documents, then you're going to move on to the specific offer documents, which is number 4. The most important of which is your agreement of sale. The agreement of sale has all the terms of the offer, the most important things such as the offer price, your closing date, what type of financing you're getting. Are there any inspection contingencies? Are you going to be doing a home inspection or a termite inspection or a radon inspection? All of these are listed in the agreement of sale, and you're going to complete that with the help of your realtor, and you may have other addenda that you may need to include with that. So after you complete your general offer documents and your specific offer documents, the 5th and final thing you're going to do is you're going to sign all of the documents that are required, and then you're going to send that to the seller's agent. Your realtor is going to send that to the seller's agent. And that, when the seller's agent receives it, that constitutes the offer actually being made formally.